Sales of this foam company dropped by 40 to 70% this pandemic as ongoing lockdowns continue to delay deliveries. This prompted the company's owner, Maria, to negotiate with the bank to restructure the business's loans and extend payment terms. Maria wants their sales to go to their employees first because they need it the most.
Tao namin number one kasi like this time, siyempre ang daing nila yung pang day-to-day nila survival, kain lang. Maintenance namin sa warehouse, maintenance lahat na. Pag may excess, kaya kung may excess, sa loan na rin.
Also heavily affected by the COVID-19 pandemic are tourism companies. The Tourism Congress of the Philippines says that some companies are unable to pay existing loans as they remain closed for over a year already. The group of exporters and businesses adds that their cash reserves are running low as the pandemic rages on. Some companies are now hesitant to apply for bank loans.
Pagka wala silang pag-asa na maibalik yung negosyo nila, they're not also accessing bank loan because sayang lang mapapautang sila sa bangko and then but they have no source of income. Those small ones medyo gipit sila when there's the cash flow is being hindered by any of this slowdown or quarantine. It does affect financial position.
As of July, bank lending dipped to 0.7% year-on-year, down for the 8th consecutive month. In an interview with the chiefs, economist Andrew Masigan warns that the banking sector may not survive if lockdowns continue.
Worst case scenario, the collapse of the banking system because you have a pile of non-performing debt. Businesses can't pay, businesses are belly up, lockdowns cannot go on indefinitely.
But the central bank is confident that this will not happen anytime soon.
That's a doomsday scenario, and we're very far from that because we're doing well on the vaccination front, and that I think the future lockdowns will be granular and targeted, and there will be no more regional or area big or nationwide lockdowns. Okay, so as I said, we're now on our way to recovery, although it's still fragile.
The Bankers Association of the Philippines has assured the public that the sector remains resilient despite challenges. In a statement, the group says non-performing loans of banks will not have an adverse impact at this time since it has not yet reached double digits. Banks are also allowed to dispose non-performing loans to asset managers through the FIST Act. They will also continue to offer financial relief options to their clients in order to pay off obligations, which in return will also help banks. Shaila Francisco, we are One News.